So there are some really cool body weight exercises that you guys can do at home, and also using a mini band maybe, to work on your shoulder strength and your core strength. Here we go. The first one is beast pose to plank. Beast pose is all about keeping your knees 1 inch off the floor and not higher than that. So just stay low right here, and then from this position we're just going to extend the legs, one leg at a time, into a plank, pushing the shoulder blades away from each other, and in posterior pelvic tilt. Watch my pelvis being right here, and then bringing my knee, one knee at a time, right under my belly, and then again, nice plank, bring it back to beast, one leg at a time. So this one is a V-up with banded pull apart over your head though. Just make sure when you have your band around your wrists or your palms like this, you gotta keep the band pulled apart and not close to each other. There is no tension like this. You gotta pull it apart to activate the entire upper body. So here we go. I'm gonna pull the band apart over my head, and I'm gonna keep the tension alive the entire time. And I'm just gonna keep rocking as I keep the band pulled apart. So if you guys cannot do hollow rocks, the regression for this is both hold rocks, or you can hold the arms in front of you, pulling the band apart and doing the same exact thing. So the next exercise is really cool. I don't really have a name for it, but here's how it looks like. Bring your knee all the way to the elbow, and then you lower it to your wrist, and then you lift it back up. Lower all the way to the wrist and lift it back up. Notice how my hips are behaving the entire time. My hips are not really coming back. I'm in that brace position the entire time. My knee is going up and down, but my pelvis is posteriorly tilted and my shoulders are protracted. Notice my hips or my pelvic region right now. It's posteriorly tilted, my shoulders are protracted, and I'm just going to lower it a little bit, and then I'm going to bring it back up. Lower again, bring it back up. If you do this is going to be wrong. Don't bring your hips all the way down, don't let them collapse, or even like this. Keep it up, and then just lower it, and then upward. Lower it, upward. Repeat on the other side.